Hello, this is tutorial 5 for Simple Traffic System version 1.0.7. In the last video we set up this long segment that we can see with the Spline Route Creator tool. And what we notice is that none of the cars spawn in the front area of the waypoint routes. They all spawn in the back. So to fix this, we can use the spawn points tool. So just select configure mode and switch it to spawn points. Load your routes into the editor. And let me zoom in over here. And just by clicking these little S buttons that appear over each spawn point, we can add spawn points to the route. So on scene startup, the route will use these spawn points instead of starting from the beginning. What I typically do is I just randomly click, creating some kind of variation in the pattern. Okay, and that looks good enough. So you'll notice that when you click and spawn these spawn points, they're just game objects that get added as a child of the waypoint route. So if you don't want these in your scene anymore, you can just delete them. A quick way to delete them all would just be to copy the name and put it in the hierarchy, and you can group select them and delete them. Or not, Control Z to undo it. All right, so that's how you set up your spawn points. And then the next thing you want to do is select all of the routes that you want to use those spawn points with and enable the option use spawn points. So now when we press play, the cars will only spawn where spawn points are. And if there's more cars assigned than there are spawn points on the route, those cars just will not spawn. And that's how you use spawn points. I'll see you in the next video.